Hey everybody. So this month, the month of June, we are featuring our kinesiology taping courses. So during this month, I want to put out a bunch of educational videos to teach you about the benefits of kinesiology tape and also show you some tips on how you can use this tape with your animals. I've personally been using kinesiology tape for about 15 years now. First on people and then shortly after on animals. I was one of the first practitioners to develop protocols for taping both horses and dogs. And as most of you know, we do have courses where we will certify you in either canine or equine kinesiology taping, but we also have courses for dog and horse owners. This tape is really cool. If you have not used it or been exposed to it, let me just give you a quick little background on it. It is a sticky tape. It sticks directly to the skin when we apply it to people, but when we apply it to animals, it will stick directly to their hair. The tape does stretch, so if you break the paper in the back, you'll see that the tape is stretchy. The cool thing about this is that when we apply it, it will stretch and allow the animal or the person to still have full range of motion of the muscle or joint with the tape applied. So it's really cool stuff. It works on a number of different levels. It will help increase blood flow because when it's on the skin or the hair, it will lift it a little bit, which has a decompressive effect. So you'll have improved blood and lymph flow. It also can take pressure off of nerves if there's inflammation. So it can decrease pain also through stimulating mechanoreceptors in the cells, which will inhibit the nociceptors, which are your pain receptors. So it's a natural pain inhibitor. And depending on how we apply it, we can support muscles and joints with it. Another cool thing that it does is it can increase proprioception. So as the animal is moving, if their proprioceptive input is off a little bit due to past injuries, things of that nature, this can help them have more correct proprioceptive input, which allows their body to know where the foot is falling so that it decreases the chance of injuries in the future, especially important for athletic and competitive animals. But that being said, I want to show you just real quick an easy application that you can use with kinesiology tape. So to start with, just a helpful tip, you'll want some scissors that are either Teflon coated or made for like non-stick that are made for arts and crafts because the glue will gum them up. Also, just so you know, there are a lot of different kinesiology tapes on the market. If you go to an athletic store or just a general pharmacy, you'll probably find some tape there. The tape that I'm using right now is called Vetkin tape because I primarily use it on animals and it's extra sticky so that it sticks better to their coats. Sometimes if people have sensitive skin, it can actually cause a little bit of a rash because it's a little too sticky for them. But just for demo purposes, I'm going to show you, I've been having a little bit of an elbow issue. And I keep tweaking it every time I do stuff. And the tape gives it a really great support and it also decreases the pain sensation. So I'm tearing the paper and removing the base. And then I'm basically just going to put that directly over my elbow. And I will rub it down. Rubbing helps activate the glue so it'll stick better. And then I'm going to grab the paper underneath and I'm going to pull it off as I put it down over the elbow joint and rub it down as I'm pulling that paper off. And we're going to rub that to activate the glue. So super simple, you know, just an eye strip is what we would call it because it's just one strip, just directly over the joint. And that itself can provide a lot of pain relief and the feeling of support. There are a lot of other things that we can do with it too. And if you want to dive deeper, you can check out one of our online courses. We do have certification courses for professionals and non-certification courses for animal owners. And I do also cover human applications in those courses because I think it's very important for you to personally experience what the tape is like before you start putting it on animals. So you will learn how to do some tape applications on yourself and your family members as well. So go ahead and comment. Let me know, guys. Have you used kinesiology tape and what were the results? Also, did you know that you can put it on animals? A lot of people aren't aware of that. So comment and let me know about your experience.